In this guide, I will show you how to activate Boost Mobile eSIM. To activate an eSIM on a new device, sign up for new service at my.boostmobile.com or visit a Boost Mobile authorized retailer. If you're bringing your own iPhone to Boost Mobile, you can activate with eSIM when you sign up for new service. Follow the steps for installing and activating an eSIM. For existing Boost Mobile customers, chat with Boost Mobile Customer Care at 833-50-BOOST, 833-502-66678 to make the switch from a physical SIM to an eSIM. Click Activate to sign into your account and begin the eSIM activation process. If you're switching to an iPhone, follow the instructions provided. To activate an eSIM on an iPhone XS or newer, click Activate Now with eSIM. Enter the IMEI number of your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once the eSIM is activated, your screen will update with a Boost Mobile header where you can view SIM information. Turn off Wi-Fi to use the Boost Mobile cellular network. Your device is now ready to use on the Boost Mobile network.